Welcome back to another video with Simon Khalil. This is a 24-70 and this is the most versatile lens you can have in your kit. Let's get into it. Why is this the most versatile lens? Well, funny you should ask. This lens I've had for a couple of years at this particular point, a 24-70 made by Sigma, but I've always had a 24-70 in my camera kit even when I was a Canon shooter. This lens has always been something that I find very versatile, especially when I'm shooting weddings, when I'm shooting events, or even traveling. So, why do I have this in my camera bag? The main reason, that focal length. I am never, ever losing an opportunity shooting in the 24-70 focal length. Yes, there are other lenses needed in my day-to-day, especially when I'm shooting a wedding, but I don't miss a beat when I have this combo with my camera. Now, there are shooters out there that only use prime lenses for events. Now, I don't think there's a problem with it, except when you're getting paid for that particular event, especially in a wedding when it can cost, a few grand or more. I feel that it's very, very important to make sure you're getting everything the client wants. So, I usually use two camera bodies, one with the 24-70 on there and one with the 70-200. But I will be making another video about the 70-200 shortly, don't you guys worry. But when it comes down to it, sharp, very sharp lens. Is it going to be as sharp as a prime lens? Not necessarily, but also do you need a 1.4 shooting at a wedding? Not necessarily. Most cameras, especially the mirrorless cameras that have come out over the last couple of years, are pretty damn good in low light conditions. My A7 IIIs are excellent wedding cameras, especially when I'm dual wielding and I have both camera bodies on me. Whether it's my ring shots or whether it's a portrait, pretty much this is the lens I use. Now, when it comes to pumping up the ISO and sharpness, I haven't had an issue yet. I've been shooting with this lens, like I said, for a couple of years now, and I haven't had one single issue with this particular lens yet. With the prime lenses, you're sort of limited to what you can do. Why is this most versatile, if you ask me? I can do street photography, I can do portraits, I can do weddings, I could do food photography, product photography, I could do video, all with this bad boy right here. That's why it's the most versatile lens to me. If you don't agree with me, go ahead and drop a comment below. Other than that, guys, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, support the channel as best as you can, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!